Let's go. So we have the power rule. When raising an exponent to another exponent, simply multiply the exponents. The way I remember that is anytime I see an exponent sitting right beside another exponent, I just know to multiply them. So let's say I have x to the power of m all raised to the power of n. I know that that gives me x to the power of m times n. Another example, let's say I have x to the power of 3 raised to the power of 5. I know that's going to give me x to the power of 3 times 5, which is ultimately x to the power of 15. Very simple. Anytime you see those exponents sitting right beside each other, multiply them. Do not confuse power rule with product rule. I've seen that done. I've seen that misconception. With the product rule, you're already multiplying with the same base. So you keep the base, add the exponents. With the power rule, an exponent is being raised to another exponent, so you multiply the exponents. Be very careful with that. All right, so again, let's practice. I love jumping into some practice after we are teaching a specific concept. I think that helps you to grasp the knowledge. So let's go. Power rule, power rule, power rule. Remember, anytime you are raising an exponent to another exponent, simply multiply the exponents. So example number 1. Let's say we have x to the power of 7 raised to the power of 2. So we have this 7 raised to the power of 2. We're going to simply multiply our exponent. So we end up with x to the power of 7 times 2, which is x to the power of 14. Very simple. Anytime you see those exponents sitting right beside each other, an exponent is being raised to another exponent, this is called the power rule. Multiply those exponents. Number 2, we have 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 4. Again, this gives us 3 to the power of 12. Multiply those exponents. We can simplify that further, but we're not going to do that right now. Number 3, example number 3, let's say we have 8 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2. Again, we're going to multiply those exponents when an exponent is raised to another exponent. So this gives us 8 to the power of 6, and that can also be simplified as well.